So this is your real estate agent Lizzie again, guys. I am here in Jamaica. I am preparing for Hurricane Beryl. I am this is in Meadowbrook here. Well, Meadowbrook, yes, I'm here. And guys, I'm telling you, preparing for this hurricane. I am not the only one. You see this line going all the way around that bend? Yep. Everyone is preparing for this hurricane. And I am telling you, the day, well, I guess because the storm is coming, it's hot. Yeah, the hurricane and the heat, mighty God. But yeah, look at all this, guys. I'm just wondering with all the fruits and the trees and everything. I know with this hurricane coming, God, I am a little concerned about what the toll it's going to take on wow. So that van there, it just come all the way up and just swerve right in front of the person. This is what happens when you have persons who decide that they're not supposed to wait. Yeah, because he decided that, okay, then the traffic is all the way down there, I'm not waiting. Let me show you what's going on. So if you look all the way down there, yeah, that's the traffic all the way down there. Yep, that's the traffic all the way down there, and it continues all the way up here. But yeah, you have to pardon me. This idiot. Hold on, guys. So yes, guys, as I was saying, my friends, this is really what's going on. You see that gentleman there where you see with the cutter? Yeah, people really trimming down trees and all of that, trying to prepare for this this hurricane. Oh Lord. And I am super late. I'm supposed to get my son at 12. I asked for 12:30 and now it's 12 minutes to the hour of 1. So you see, late. But yeah, again, the traffic is thick everywhere. If you look across there, you'll realize that coming up, yeah, because everybody is trying to prepare. Everybody is trying to prepare for this. See, guys, this is everywhere. Everywhere you go, this is what you are seeing. You see, every road you turn on, yep. And I am late to get my son, and yeah, I am so happy that I am on the other side. Can you imagine me on that side trying to get my son, and again, I am late. What's going on? You have to mind me. I am doing what I'm not supposed to be doing, guys. I am, yeah. But yeah, this is what's going on. This is what's going on. This is what's going on. Yep. So this road is very narrow as well, guys. So I have to really. So yes, guys, right now I'm close by to get my son. Yeah, the traffic is, yeah, everybody is preparing themselves for this hurricane here, and I am trying to do the same. So I love you, love you. Please, my family, stay safe out there. Ensure that you're prepared for this hurricane. Lots of food in your house, drinking water, lanterns, candles, kerosene, and batteries. Yeah, you're gonna need some batteries just in case. So again, I love you all, and have a good one. Mwah.